If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You primarily access all the tools in Acrobat when creating and editing PDFs by using the All Tools panel at the left side of the document view. However, to instead show all Acrobat's tools within a new All Tools tabbed document, which shows all the tools in a full screen view in Acrobat Pro, click the Home button in the title bar to show the home view. Then click the See All Tools link in the home screen to open a new All Tools tab. To find a tool within the Tools view in the All Tools tab by name, type its name or function into the Find Any Tool text field at the top of the Tools view. As you type the term, Acrobat filters the list of tools to show the related tools for the term you typed in the Tools view. To clear the filter, click the X button at the right end of the text field. To open any tool in the Tools view, click the Tools button or click its Open button. Acrobat Pro then opens a new document tabbed document window. It also opens the selected tool within that tabbed document window. You can then follow the on-screen instructions to use the selected tool with a new document you choose or create. To close the All Tools tabbed document window, either click the X in the All Tools tab or click the tab name to switch to that tab, and then click the Close button that appears within the top bar in the Tools view. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.